Hello guys, welcome back once again. I remain your friend Emmalex Emmanuel. In today's tutorial, I want to discuss something very important. After JAMB registration, what next? The topic for today is what? After JAMB registration, after printing your slip, what next? Yes, I will discuss that in this video so that you will know that after your JAMB registration, you don't go home and sit down. There is something next, and that something next is what I have for you today. First, the answers are not too far. It's just two answers I have here. One is study without ceasing. Even the Bible says in season and out of season, you should always pray. Now, coming to your JAMB joining, I would say after your JAMB registration, the next thing is to study without ceasing. It's not a time where you go home and now sit down and relax. It's a time now to know that you have been registered, the registration is successful, and you have a task ahead of you. So having this mindset that you have a task ahead of you, it is time for you to now study at all points in time. Read your books, read the novel they give to you. I think The Life Changer. Read your other 4 subjects. Make a timetable to read them. Today you read English, tomorrow you read mathematics, chemistry, or based on your subjects, the ones you are going to write in your JAMB. That is number 1. Number 2, study past questions. Study past questions. Yes, past questions do help. Not that the questions can appear, but if you are able to study past questions and you're able to answer questions on the previous written exams, if you're able to answer past questions, then because the past questions are from JAMB, it means you have that confidence. You can boast or you can beat your chest that you can attempt JAMB questions. Therefore, what you are going to meet in the future will not be scary, will not be strange. It will be something at your level because you have been using past questions to study and practice. That is why in this video, if you check the video description, you will see links to where we have listed all the past questions, all the subjects that have been written in JAMB, and all their past questions. Visit the video link, visit the video description, you will see a link to our past questions. Click on them, download each one, or download according to your subject, read them, practice them, and the answers are at the back. Try attempting them on your own, solve them on your own, and then at the end, you go to the back and cross-check your answers to see if you are correct. Another thing I will discuss here is that you should study the latest JAMB syllabus. Don't just be reading off point, reading on your own. Try to know the syllabus, the current syllabus, so that you will know where you should focus this year. It's not everything JAMB will ask. So still in this video description, I have given a link to JAMB syllabus. We have taken our time to prepare all the syllabus for all the subjects. So visit the video description of this video I'm doing right now. You will see the link to JAMB syllabus, the latest JAMB syllabus. Click on your subject, and then read and know the syllabus you are to focus on. I think if I have time, I will do a video on each of the syllabus so that it will be easy for you to read the syllabus to a video. Then these are the 3 questions or the 3 answers I have to provide for you in the topic. After that registration, what next? 1 is study without ceasing. 2 is study past questions, and 3 is study the latest JAMB syllabus. And links to all these have been provided in this video description, so don't fail to check the video description. You will see the links there to the current latest JAMB syllabus, JAMB past questions and answers, and then other guides like yes, there are other guides we have done, and then there are other videos we have also done concerning JAMB. Our next video, I will focus on let's say, strategies I'll focus on the strategies to succeed in JAMB UTME. I also do video on how to upgrade JAMB results. So if you want to know how to upgrade your results, check our channel. You will see the video there, or check the video description. You will see the video there to know about JAMB results upgrade. Thank you for being part of this channel. If you are new and you have not subscribed, use this video to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that when we post new videos, you will be notified. Also, share this video to your loved ones, your friends, your sisters. If you have any question or comment, use the comment section to ask your questions, and I will be really here to answer all your questions. If possibly, I will do videos to satisfy your curiosity. Thank you. Have a nice day.